This is a timing belt on a Toyota 5S FE motor, 4-cylinder, 2.2. The car is a 1997 Toyota Celica GT, and it was first sold in November of 1996, so that means this timing belt's a little over 24 years old now. And as you can see, it's not that bad a shape. I was expecting to see it in much worse shape with lots of cracks, and the car still runs, and it runs good, and the guy never changed it. The car does only have 68,000 miles on it. He didn't drive too much. He said he drove it a lot the first couple of years he bought it, but then not a lot after that. So, but they tell you that you need to change your timing belt every 10 years, and this went 24, and it would probably go a few more years. So, but I was just interested in seeing what it looked like, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. And I'm gonna change all the seals and change all those tensioner bearings and the water pump. But as you can see, this belt is a little bit too loose. I think that's too loose, or looser than it should be. But the tensioner spring's still there. But I mean, it does run. But I'll get a little closer. You can see there's like no cracks, or I mean, it looks like it could go a few more years. I don't know if they made them better back then or what, but there's the timing mark on that, on the cam. So I got it at top dead center right now. I'm about to yank it off. But anyways, I just want to document this to show everybody what a 24-year-old timing belt looks like. You know, maybe it's just a myth you have to change them every 10 years. This guy never did. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll make another video when I'm all done.